Rear Cross-Traffic Collision Avoidance Assist. Rear Cross-Traffic Collision Avoidance Assist helps avoid collisions with oncoming vehicles on the left and right sides of the vehicle while reversing. If there is a risk of collision with an oncoming vehicle on the left or right side while reversing, the system provides a warning. After the warning, if the risk of collision increases, the system automatically assists with emergency braking. The driver is able to choose whether to use these functions through the detailed settings under Driver Assistance, Parking Safety in the Vehicle settings. Lane Keeping Assist. Lane Keeping Assist helps prevent the vehicle from departing the lane while driving. If driving above a certain speed, and the driver leaves a lane without the turn signal switch being operated, the system provides a warning. When a lane departure is detected, the system automatically assists with steering to help prevent leaving the lane. The driver is able to choose whether to use the functions through the detailed settings under Driver Assistance, Lane Safety in the Vehicle settings. If the steering wheel is not held, a warning is issued for safety. The driver should always hold the steering wheel and look forward. Lane Following Assist. Lane Following Assist helps center the vehicle in the lane. When driving, the system can be switched on and off by pressing the Lane Driving Assist button. If the steering wheel is not held, a warning is issued for safety. If the steering wheel continues to not be held, the system deactivates. The driver should always hold the steering wheel and look forward. Parking Distance Warning. Parking Distance Warning warns against collisions with objects around the vehicle at low speeds. Changing the gear to R or pressing the Parking Safety button in gear D switches the system on. Parking Distance Warning automatically switches on when driving at low speeds if Parking Distance Warning Auto On is selected under Driver Assistance, Parking Safety in the Vehicle settings. Forward Collision Avoidance Assist. Forward Collision Avoidance Assist helps avoid collisions with objects in front of the vehicle while driving. If the preceding vehicle suddenly slows down, or if a forward collision risk is detected, such as a stopped vehicle or a pedestrian in front, the system provides a warning. After the warning, if the risk of collision increases, the system automatically assists with emergency braking. While driving, if there is a risk of collision with a cyclist ahead or an oncoming vehicle while turning left at an intersection, the system automatically assists with emergency braking. The driver is able to choose whether to use the functions through the detailed settings under Driver Assistance, Forward Safety in the Vehicle settings. Remote Smart Parking Assist. Remote Smart Parking Assist helps remotely park or exit a parking spot from outside the vehicle. While near the vehicle, pressing the door lock button on the smart key, then pressing and holding the remote start button starts the vehicle. Press and hold the forward or backward button on the smart key until the vehicle reaches the desired position. For safety reasons, always check the area around the vehicle while operating this. Driver Attention Warning. Driver Attention Warning analyzes the driver's attention while driving and warns when necessary. displays the driver's attention level while driving. If the driver's attention level drops to bad, the system provides a warning. The driver should stop and park in a safe place and get plenty of rest before driving. During a stop, the driver is alerted if the lead vehicle departs. The driver is able to choose whether to use these functions through the detailed settings under Driver Assistance, Driver Attention Warning, in Vehicle Settings. Safe Exit Assist. Safe Exit Assist helps avoid collisions with a rear side vehicle when exiting the vehicle. When the occupant opens the door to exit the vehicle after a stop, if an approaching vehicle from the rear side is detected, the system provides a warning. The system also helps keep the rear door closed through operation of the electronic child lock. The driver is able to choose whether to use the functions through the detailed settings under Driver Assistance, Blind Spot Safety, in the Vehicle Settings. Smart Cruise Control. Smart Cruise Control System helps maintain distance from the vehicle ahead and drive at a speed set by the driver. The system can be switched on and off by pressing the Driving Assist button on the steering wheel. To set the desired set speed, operate the plus-minus switch up or down. To change the set distance from the vehicle ahead, press the Vehicle Distance button. While using SCC, the system can enter a standby state by applying the brake pedal or pressing the Pause-Resume switch. Pressing the Pause-Resume switch again reactivates the system at the previous set speed. When the system is in the standby state, operate the plus-minus switch up or down to set the current speed. The vehicle stops automatically and starts automatically if the vehicle in front starts in a short time. If a period of time has elapsed, start again by pressing the accelerator pedal or operating the plus-minus switch.